Hey guys, this video I am going to show you how to change your WhatsApp username. So let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp application on your phone and make sure you can log into current account. After that, tap on the three dots more icon in the top right corner. From here, select settings. Once you are in settings, scroll down a little, look for the account option, tap on them. After this page is open, scroll down again, look for the your account section. Under the username option, tap on it. Then tap on the edit button at the top right corner. After that, tap on change username. Here you can simply remove your old username. For example, I am removed tipsandtricks 3 and added tipsandtricks 7. And wait to make sure this green icon appears. This means this username is valid or available. If you not see the green icon, this means this username already used. So you can change the username and retake any other name. This is available. Once everything is okay, tap on the save button, then tap on continue. And that's it. You can easily successfully change your username on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Also like this video. Goodbye.